Alright, so here's the cover. Got it opened up. Trying to put some light on here so you can see the detail. It's a glossy finish. So it does look pretty good. Colors are pretty good. I'll take a look at the back. Of course, you got the Autobots logo. And there's 3 discs. You got the DVD, the Blu-ray. This is the special feature Blu-ray. No 3D in this steelbook, unfortunately. Would have been nice. Don't know what they were thinking. And then of course the inside is plain. Just kind of looks like a brushed aluminum metal type look. And check out the codes. Actually, not the codes. I'm going to keep that for myself. These are the fathead decals. Yeah. Haven't quite popped that open yet. If you want to give me a second, I'll do that too, and maybe get a better description of that.